Introduce highlight features or overview summary of launched G700 OBD2 scanner. There are features include: plug in and start diagnosing. Connect the G700 directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port and start scanning. No app, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, account, charging or internal battery required, ideal for beginners and everyday car owners. Read and clear check engine codes. Read stored, pending and permanent engine fault codes, view code definitions and clear codes after the underlying problem has been repaired. Know what is happening before visiting a repair shop. Faster diagnostics with F1, F2, F3. Press F1 to read codes, F2 to erase codes and F3 to check I/M readiness. Access frequently used functions instantly without navigating through multiple menus. Complete OBD2 diagnostic functions. Access read/clear codes, live data, freeze frame, I/M readiness, vehicle information, O2 sensor data, Mode 6, Mode 8 and other standard OBD2 functions for everyday engine diagnostics. View live data and real-time curves. View live engine data, select important parameters and display two data items as real-time curves. Review changing values and identify abnormal trends more easily than reading numbers alone. Check before a smog test. Press F3 one key touch to check whether the vehicle's emissions monitors are ready before visiting the test center. Avoid unnecessary trips caused by incomplete readiness monitor. Battery voltage monitoring. View real-time voltage, voltage waveform, and maximum/minimum voltage. No battery clamps are included or required. Understand the code, not just the number. Search more than 35,901 diagnostic trouble code definitions directly on the scanner. Get quick code guidance without reaching for a phone or searching online. For most 1996 plus OBD2 compliant vehicles. Supports common OBD2, EOBD protocols and works with most 12 volts gasoline vehicles and compatible 12 volts diesel passenger vehicles. Not designed for pure EVs, heavy-duty trucks, ABS, SRS, transmission, or full system diagnostics. Compatibility varies by vehicle. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.